Look how calm and quiet it all is in this beautiful evening. Tempe Town Lake. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to vlog 25. Oh, sorry about that freaking bug. As you can see, I'm at Tempe Town Lake. Really cool lake with the buildings, the light, like the reflections. This is a perfect spot for long exposure photography. So that's actually what I'm doing out here is I'm taking photos, long exposure photos that basically you set the camera, it opens the shutter for 10 seconds, then it closes the shutter and you get these nice looking long exposure shots. So if you ever see like those high dynamic range shots, they don't take it like that. So they actually do long exposure where like it takes the picture for like 10, 20, 30 seconds long and allows that light to come in. I'm out here, pretty short and sweet vlog for today, but I will be showing you those pictures right now. So I'm also out here because I wanted to try to vlog at night, something I don't really do because it's so difficult. At home, sure, because I have a light. But here I'm now using a video light, which is a new one that I use, and this is actually one that I'll be taking on future travels with me. So I'm kind of testing it out as well to see if it even works as a video light. And so far, so good. So I like it. Obviously, if I can get more creative, set this up to different colors, take pictures with it. For this occasion, I'm just out here in the lake, just trying it out. Nothing too crazy, more just vlogging, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed these long exposure photos that I took, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. So give me a like, subscribe if you're new here, if you want to check out my experiences and just random photo film stuff like this. So thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna go because these bugs are literally murdering me right now. And I hope you guys enjoy the photos and the B-roll. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.